Do you live in Colorado? You'll want to check this out.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Daniel with Springs Concrete, and today I wanted to share a video with you that I shot with my thermal drone of a hydronic heated driveway that I built here in Colorado Springs. As I pan back and forth, you can see that our driveway is glowing a bright gold color, and that's because heated glycol is being pumped through a network of PEX tubes embedded in the concrete. The neighbors' driveways are either black or pink. Black means they're covered in snow, pink means they've shoveled. I'm going to switch over to visible light and show you the same video. As you can clearly see, our hydronic driveway is completely free of snow and ice. The neighbors' driveways are either covered in snow or they had to shovel the whole thing. If you're tired of shoveling snow, if you can't shovel snow, if you have a steep driveway or live in a mountainous area, I work all over Colorado. Give me a call at 719-963-3927, or you can visit springsconcrete.com.